Oke, Bismillah.
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam.
Oke, so you
Oh yeah. So me, Raka, me and Raka will doing a podcast. Yes. So this podcast is about how to build a startup. Yeah. So I will ask to Raka. Okay, Rak?
yeah.
Yeah, ready?
Introduce ya.
Yeah.
What are you, Argi? Are you the host or the speaker?
What name? I think I'm the
Host.
host.
Oh, you are the
Yeah.
host. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So
So
I'll asking to you.
yeah. So I'm the speaker, yeah. So yeah,
Yes.
as you know, I will in this podcast I will answer what
Yes.
anything that Arki
Yeah,
asks.
so I will asking to Raka and Raka will answer to me. Yeah,
Yeah.
so I will ask to Raka, hey Raka, you know what the example of startup?
Yeah, startup. Yeah, so the example of startup. Yeah, maybe before the example, I will tell you what is startup. Yeah, so startup is like the company, but in the first stage of economy. So you know that Google. Do you think Google is a startup? Yeah. So Google is a large company. So it's not categorized as startup. Yeah. So the difference between a company and a startup is that startup is still in the first stage. Yeah,
Hmm.
it can be scalable. Yes, it can also be in the top of the economy. Yeah. So we're going to the question of Arki before the example of startup. Yeah, so the example of startup. Yeah, maybe a little of here. Yeah, so it is Airbnb.
Huh.
Yeah, so Airbnb is the one of the startup. So pagi-pagi.com. Yeah,
Yes, pagi-pagi.
pagi-pagi in the abroad it's not pagi-pagi, but yeah, there's a lot of startup. So one of them is Airbnb. So in abroad, like in United States, usually people use Airbnb to order hotel, to order stays, yeah, for vacation or staycation, and all of that. Okay, so is there any
Yeah.
question again?
Question again. Okay, so I will ask you again. Uh, eh, are you ever make a startup or no?
Oh,
Oh, it's hard. Yeah.
so have I ever make startup? What do you think? Yeah.
Yeah. You make start.
Yeah, so I'm just a student. So logically, I haven't made any startup. Yeah.
Of course.
But if I have chance to make a startup, maybe I just make a food company. Yeah, because everyone in this world needs food. Yeah.
Hmm.
So if I had chance to make startup, yeah. So I will make food with all of the revenue. Yeah. So like I will make like Shopee food, yes,
Oh,
same as that, but maybe there's a lot of new new feature in my startup.
okay. So I will ask you again. Hey, but by the way, what the difference like between like normal seller and like company? Like you say, like seller, what's the name? You go to food company, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So what different between like that?
yeah, so the difference, yeah, between a startup and a normal company, yeah. So usually the difference is, yes, yeah, so startup is still on the process of the first stage. Yeah. So being a big company has a lot of process. So it has the process of still scalable. Yes. The meaning of scalable is it can be popular or less popular. Yeah.
Hmm.
It's depend on the process. Yeah. So the difference is that startup there's a lot of type of startup, but I not remember all of that. Yeah, so the first is scalable startup that I said before, and, and there's also the startup that almost become a big company. Like maybe I don't know why when I search in Google, yeah, Instagram is still
Small.
Instagram is categorized as startup. I don't know why,
Oh.
but I think yeah, it's still logic. Yeah.
Hmm.
So the different of yeah, you say seller, yeah,
And
seller. There's a lot of seller, bakso seller, yeah.
yeah, so
The different
it's
seller
police.
and and startup. Yeah, so there's a lot of perspective. Yeah, so if you see that seller is only sell something, but startup has a name, has a trademark and other. Yeah, so
Hmm.
if the seller's name is, as an example, uh, Bakso Ariki. Yeah, so
Yes.
like Bakso Ariki, but it's not a startup, only a normal seller. So anyone in this world can use that as his product as well,
Oh,
like what Bakso Ariki. But if you make a startup, yeah, you need to make a copyright or a trademark. So if someone use that name, yeah, they will get a
punish.
copyright, or in
Hmm.
bahasa is hak, is one of the hak, yeah, you know.
Sorry.
So if someone copy your name like that, your product, he will get he will get the he will get the, what's the name, yeah, the commitment, yeah.
Oh, like I ever see like a book in like novel I see if someone like make doing copyright like that,
Hmm?
like ini ya the name, what the name I forgot. Like first time you get punishment, like you need to pay 1 million,
Oh,
1 billion, and
yes,
then or you will get ini will
jail.
arrest for 1 hour, for 1 hour.
Yeah, I know,
Or
I know
what?
what do you mean.
Yes.
Yeah,
So like that.
yes, it's like that.
Okay.
Okay.
So the meaning is like what the name, if even to make a startup,
Hmm?
like so the startup and the startup, wait, so different startup and and normal seller. So the name is will become different too, yeah. Like so the
Yeah,
name is uh
it's
nasi
actually,
padang barokah, nah like
yeah, it's
that.
like that.
And then in the Maret, so it can be different, yeah, if like
Yes,
that.
because it depends on the company. Yeah, so because if you say that normal seller is not a company, it's only selling something. Yeah,
Hmm.
so it's not categorized as a company, and
Okay.
startup is still categorized as a company. Yeah, so you know that every company has a name, right?
So, but what if like this some seller, the
Hmm?
name is Nasi Padang Cita Ibu, nah, like
Ah,
that. And
yes.
then this startup, nah, Nasi
Ah,
Padang Cita Ibu, same. So,
yeah.
so the seller will get the punishment or no?
Uh, as I know, I don't really know about it, but as I know, yeah, if someone already make it first and someone make it also, but they directly make copyright and trademark, yeah, maybe the that the seller that want to make the name, yeah, they will request it. Maybe they will ask first, like, is there any name like this, or maybe, yeah, I think it's safe, so
Safe.
you can directly make a copyright, yeah, so that the other people, the other person will not copy you. But as
Hmm.
I know, if someone make like that, yeah, it's not that good, because if yeah, you know, like your name is Ariki, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
so what if I change my name to Ariki? Yeah,
Nah,
yeah,
yeah.
so we have that ethic, yeah, you know,
Hmm.
at
Okay.
selling and also selling and buying, we have ethic also, and that's one of the ethic. We are not
Okay.
we are not copying someone, yeah.
Oh, so if you want to make a startup, so you not just give the name, but so you give the name and then asking like that, asking to the other people. So this the startup or the seller,
Yeah.
the name same like this or no?
And also, yeah, if you know that the name is not a startup, yeah, it's only one of the process of making, yeah, how to build a
Oh,
startup. Yeah.
so it's how to build a startup. Yeah.
Yes, only one of the process.
But you know how to build a startup?
Oh, how to build a process? How to build a startup? Yeah.
Startup.
So I don't really know about it, but I will tell you in my perspective. So as you know, there's a lot of company in this world, yeah, and if you want to make a startup, yeah, you need to be successful, right?
Yes.
So what do you mean you want to make startup but you don't want to be success? Yeah, so also all of the company around the world said like that also. So that's why at making startup, the first thing first, that you need to search a creative name for your startup, and then
Sorry.
you need to you need to make also the creative, you need to also make what will you do in a startup. Like there's a lot of startup, like there's viable startup, yeah, where the company can get by from other company. Like as an example, you know Minecraft, your game.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's on
don't
my
talk
game.
about game.
Yeah.
So that company, yeah, get by Microsoft.
Oh,
Yeah.
so Minecraft get by Microsoft.
Yes, and the other thing, YouTube. Yeah,
YouTube get
YouTube get by Google.
Google.
Yeah. So
So the meaning,
yeah, it's one of the type is viable startup. Yeah. So as an example, if you want to make a food startup, yeah, you can also you can make the category like the food. Yeah. So you need to have a good name, and also if you want to make startup, yeah, you need to also look at your at
business.
the user. Yeah. So first maybe you can make the prototype first, so you can see the user. Like as we learn that we've learned user experience. Yes. If you want to make startup, we cannot just yeah we make like as an example. Yeah. This world. Yeah. As an example, this world needs
Needs
food.
that food.
Needs food. Yeah. But we make startup about drink. Yeah. So you know that this world needs food, but why we make drink? Yeah.
Oh,
So we need to also look at the user, not user see the one the
the world.
user target. Yeah. User target. Yeah.
So like the example, like COVID-19.
Yeah.
So people make a startup like selling masker. I mean like that.
Yes, like that.
Mm.
Yeah. So because you know that startup is popular now, and yeah. So my upperclassman, yeah, he's kind of creative. Yeah, I admit it because yeah. So my upperclassman make a startup. The name is Malvaris. You know
Oh,
Malvaris.
Paris.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
So
know.
it's a startup about
Hacking.
how about the startup which make the other startup becoming popular and better.
Mm.
Yeah.
But like, how about like Bitcoin? Is it startup or no? Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yes.
Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. It's not startup.
Oh, it's different, because
It's
I.
same as other cryptocurrency like Dogecoin. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Already.
So I ever hear like a sort of brother like so, he hacking like people laptop.
Uh,
So the person laptop will like opening crypto.
uh,
So later will get the Bitcoin. So the Bitcoin will go to the brother.
oh, it's actually yeah. We
Is
can use.
still same startup or not? Or
No, it's
company?
not startup. It's different.
Oh,
Startup is company. That's
oh,
only it's
oh.
crypto miner. Yeah, if I'm not wrong, or Bitcoin miner. Yeah.
So
Already.
the meaning of company is like together.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I think the time is are done ya.
Yes.
So
Already.
thank you Raka
You're
for
welcome.
doing podcast with me. So that's what I say with me and Raka. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.